In this video, we're going to look at indefinite articles in French. These are the words a, an, or some in English and often precede, as in come before, a noun. In order to use nouns correctly, often you need to know the gender, as in is it masculine or feminine, and the number, as in is it singular or plural, of the noun. This tells you which indefinite article you need to use. And in French, the singular indefinite articles are un and une. If the nouns are plural, as in more than one, then it would be des. Un, une, des. We're going to use wordreference.com to look up the gender of the nouns so we know which indefinite article we need to use. Comment dit-on a cat en français? We look up the word cat in wordreference.com and it gives us chat, as you can see from the highlighted section. It also says NM, which tells us it's a noun and it's masculine. This will then tell us which indefinite article we need to use before the word cat in order to say a cat. Comment dit-on a cat en français? Un chat. Comment dit-on a car en français? We look up the word car in wordreference.com and we find voiture. It also says NF, which tells us that the word is a noun and it is feminine. This tells us which indefinite article we need to use to say a car. Comment dit-on a car en français? Une voiture. Comment dit-on a bicycle en français? We look up bike or bicycle and wordreference.com gives us vélo and it tells us it's a noun and that it's masculine. This is indicated by the NM. Then we put the indefinite article for masculine singular nouns before the word that we've looked up. Comment dit-on a bicycle en français? Un vélo. Now you can see as well that there is the word bicyclette, which is a feminine noun. For that, obviously, you would say une bicyclette. Comment dit-on a snake en français? We look up snake and it gives us the word serpent and it tells us it's a masculine noun. Therefore, we know for masculine singular nouns, we need to add un before the noun. Comment dit-on a snake en français? Un serpent. Comment dit-on an apple en français? When we look up apple, it gives us the word pomme. It also tells us it's a noun and it is feminine. Therefore, when we apply the grammar and choose the appropriate indefinite article, we choose une. Comment dit-on un apple en français? Une pomme. Comment dit-on some tables en français? We look up the word table and it gives us the word in French and it's spelt exactly the same way in English, but obviously will be pronounced differently. This is called a cognate. We can see as well that it's a noun and it's feminine, which tells us the indefinite article we need to use. Notice how it's plural, so we need to use the plural form. Des. Comment dit-on some tables en français? Des tables. Note how the word table has an S on the end. This is because it's plural, more than one. There are some nouns that have irregular endings in the plural form. Once you know a few of the rules, you'll be able to know how to adapt these nouns to make them plural. But there are some irregular ones as well that you just have to learn. Comment dit-on some pens en français? We look up the word pen, a writing tool, and it gives us stylo. It also tells us it's a noun and it's masculine. However, we know that we are saying some pens plural, so we need to use the plural form. Comment dit-on some pens en français? Des stylos. Now here's a challenge for you. Pause the video and look up at least 5 singular nouns on wordreference.com and then write them down in English and French with the correct indefinite article. As a super challenge, you could look up some plural nouns as well. In this video, we've looked at indefinite articles in French. These are the words a, an, and some in English. Thank you for watching.